This is Indrashish Chaudhary from LeapStart. I'm back again with a new video. Today I'll be showing you some exercises, some activities which you can do to increase your agility. These activities generally come under the program Quick Fit, so that it makes your running steps faster and improves your agility. Now we will be starting our exercise program with some high knees, but a different variation of high knees. So look properly how you have to do this. You can keep one shoe of yours in the middle and you can stand on any one side. On one side you will do 5 high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the side. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way this exercise can be done. So the counting will be like this. If you are starting from your right side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right and left together this becomes one repetition. Again you go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes the second repetition. In this way you have to do 10 repetitions, but not in this walking fashion. We have to do it in a faster motion like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way you have to do and count as I have shown you earlier. In the next exercise you can arrange 4 or 5 shoes in a single line. So in this exercise what we will be doing is we will be moving from our starting point to the next shoe and come back to the starting point. Then the next one, come back to the starting point. Next one to the starting point. Again to the last one to the starting point. This now we will keep moving back to the starting point again, and this will be the end. So I'll show you once again. This is the starting point. So we will move one shoe at a time and come back to the starting point. In this way we will move to the last one, and we will then move to the shoes which are at the back next of the last shoe, like this. If you move to the starting point, then you will move to the next shoe and back to the starting point. So when you complete this entire thing, it becomes one repetition. I'll show you how. First, like this. So this becomes one repetition. In this way you can do 5 repetitions. If you have more endurance you can also do 10 repetitions also. Now in this exercise we will do the same thing which we did in the previous exercise only, but we will do this in side slide motion like this. In the previous exercise we moved front and back. Now we will move left, right. So this becomes one repetition. In this way you can do 5 repetitions again. If you have more endurance, then you can do 10 repetitions. But be careful while doing this. If you are doing this exercise on a slippery ground floor like this, made up of tiles or marble, and with a flat sole shoe, then I would suggest you open your shoe and do it barefooted. Otherwise, you will slip down and you will hurt yourself. Otherwise, if you are doing it on the rooftop, which is a bit rough, then you can wear the shoe and do it, because there on the rooftop you will not slip and fall down. But on a slippery ground like this, slippery floor rather, like this, made up of tiles, marble or something like this, don't do it with a flat sole shoe. Instead, you can do it barefooted. Now in this exercise, we will be arranging the shoes, 5 shoes in a straight line, as you can see, and we will take one round around the shoe, then move to the next shoe, like this. We will take a round fast, quickly, then move to the next shoe. Then I'll take a round and then it will end. Now we will slowly jog back to our starting position and do it again, like this. Okay, so when you end over here and jog back to the starting position, it becomes 1 repetition. So in this way you can do 10 repetitions. Now the last exercise for today will be, you have to arrange 4 shoes like this, and now you have to draw a plus sign while jumping. So how you draw it? In a plus sign, it looks like this: one straight vertical line and a horizontal line. So what you do is, you first jump, 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 back, back. So when you complete this, this becomes 1 repetition. In this way you have to do 10 repetitions, like this: jump, 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 back, back. 1, again 2, 3. So I will suggest you to do this in a space where you have more space towards your sides. Since I don't have much space towards my side, so I am keeping this a bit closer so that I get enough space over here. But you can keep it a little farther so that it becomes easier for you to jump over the shoes, like this. Jump and back. So in this way you can do 10 repetitions. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.